A very good morning to all of you. I hope that you and your family are safe. Children, in the last class, I am told you about a generation of computer. Now I am going to tell you about characteristic of computer and wearable technologies. Let's see. Characteristic of a computer. A computer has certain characteristics that make it different from other machine. What is the characteristic of a computer? Let's see one by one. Speed. A computer can perform large number of calculations in a fraction of a second. Computer can do billions instructions in a second. It can perform lots of calculation, complex calculation within a second. Accuracy. A computer always gives correct result. If the data given as input to the computer is correct, it produces accurate result. Computer can never make mistake. It always gives correct result. If the user provides correct information, then it gives correct result. If the user provides wrong information, wrong data, then it gives wrong information. Diligence. Computer does not get tired. It can keep working for long hours. Computer never get tired. It can work for long hours from morning to evening, and it never get bored to do the same task again and again. Right? So diligence means computer does not get tired. Right? High storage. Computer store lots of information in its memory. It can store huge amount of data in its memory. We can retrieve this data at any time, at any place when we are required. Versatility. The modern day computer can perform a variety of different tasks. It is used at various other places such as homes, hospitals, banks, offices, and schools for performing various jobs. Computer can use for different places for different places. It used hospital to keep medical record of the patient, to diagnose disease of the patient. In school, it is used to making timetable, making question papers. In shop, it is used to making bills. In the bank, it is used to maintain account details of the customer, and so on. Right. So it is a versatile electronic device. Faster communication. Using computer, we can exchange information through internet all over the world with a very high speed. With the help of computer, and we can share our information with each other with the help of the internet within a second. Limitation of a computer. Computer being an electronic machine also has some limitation. What is the limitation of computer? Zero IQ. A computer does not have any IQ of its own. It works only within the limits of what it has been instructed to do. Means computer have no IQ of its own. It can perform only when user give instruction. User give instruction to it. It can never do work itself. It is totally dependent on the user instruction. Lack of decision making power. A computer is not capable of taking any decision of its own. Computer cannot take decision of its own. It gives incorrect result when user give wrong data. If user give wrong data, then it give wrong information. It can never decide it is wrong or right. Now heuristic. Heuristic is the ability to learn from the past mistakes. Computer have no ability to learn his past mistake. As a human can learn from his past mistake, but computer have no these types of ability, right?
Good morning, student. How are you? Hope you are fine. Children, in this video, we are going to know about wearable technology. So, let's start today's class. What is wearable technology? Wearable technology is also known as wearable gadgets. Wearable means the things which we can wear, and gadget means device or machine. So on the basis of this, we can say that the gadget which we can wear is known as wearable gadget. I repeat once again, the gadget which we can wear is known as wearable gadget. Children, there are different types of wearable gadget. Most of the wearable gadgets available these days are wristwatch, means you can wear this on your wrist. But there are others that can be hung around the neck or worn as a piece of jewelry. Some of the most popular gadgets in this category are fitness tracker. It is also known as activity tracker. It is used to track fitness related metrics such as distance walked or run, calorie consumption. You can also track heart rate or pulse rate with the help of fitness tracker. The example of fitness tracker is Fitbit Pulse Watch. Second example of wearable gadgets is smartwatch. It is just like watch which you wear on the wrist, but the function of this watch make it different from the other watch. A smartwatch is a wearable computing device that closely resembles a wristwatch. Just like a smartphone, you can make calls, send messages, read news and listen to music with the help of a smartwatch. Smartwatch are also include function of fitness trackers. Example of smartwatch is Apple Watch. Head mounted display. A head mounted display, also known as HMD, is a display device worn on the head or as a part of a helmet as a small display area. HMD are used in virtual reality, gaming, aviation, military, medical and engineering. Example of head mounted display, Google Glass. Children, hope you are getting my points. If you have any doubt, don't worry, I will explain this topic in the next video again. Till stay home, stay safe. Thank you.